Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot. It is Thursday, February the 9th. It's about 6:30 Central Standard Time. So we looked last night. We looked like we had opened at about 22.90.50 right in this area, bottom one of our zones for today. And just pulled back just a little bit for an overnight low at 22.87.75. And then we took off crossing above the 24 VWAP, a little bit of a pullback in this zone and then straight up to this next zone here this morning, about 5:30 to 22.96.25. So for the next 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to give you targets to the upside, targets to the downside, some possible areas of consolidation for today, and then we'll take a look at market profile. So since we're up here, we're going to take a look. We've reached this 22 at the top of this zone. Now we're looking for a pullback, maybe all the way back to this 92.50. If the buyers are really going to step in, though, we're probably going to hold. We'd like to hold anyway, somewhere around the 22.94 area, and then go right back up and not double top and close above this zone at the 22.97 area, then move up to the 23. Now we have jobless claims this morning at 7:30 Central Standard Time, so we got to be aware of that and see how that's going to impact the market. After that, we're looking for a pullback back in the 98 area, possibly back here to get in this zone because there's going to be a lot of resistance up here at this 2300 area, but we've got to come back and retest, and then we're going to head back up, possibly up to 23,205 if depending how the jobless claims are. I think that'll drive a lot of driving today. So let's come down here. Possible of the targets 2011, 2311, and 2318 area today. So be cautious of that. At 2300, look for a major. We could get a major reversal and come all the way back to today's open, depending on how big the sellers really want to step in and how bad the jobless claims are this morning. Pull all the way back to this 22.90.50. And at some point, if we do come back and we do close below this uh, bottom of this zone and this open at 22.90, then look for it to kind of come up and retest the top of this zone right around 92.25, and then look for it to accelerate all the way down to 22.87, our overnight low, and then pull back up into this area at the 89.50. Then look for it to drive all the way down to 85.75, and then as we move down, looking for a move all the way down into this zone at 22.81. So that's and here we expect a low of the day. We could go on down to this 75 area, so be aware of that. And the next level down there is great support here at the 70 level. So just keep an eye on that for the absolute low of the day. Never know with these current markets and the geopolitical geopolitical positions and situations around the world. And so let's take a quick look at market profile. If we take a look on a continuous contract, we are right here, this 89.91 level. You can see right in here. So this is our consolidation point that we see in a smaller time frame, and we need to break this area. Like I said, get up to this 2300. That's why it's going to be tough to get through. But a big breakthrough of that on a daily time frame pushes us all the way up to the 2351. So break above that 2300 with the right settings. Great swing trades. Hold on for a few days to a week probably, and it could move up at the 51 area. But it could take longer. But this is be sure you have the overnight margin to handle all this. On a 4-hour chart, you can see we're just consolidating in this time frame around this 2290 area. We've got to get to this 2299 area, and then we've got to break it. So we expect a pullback at 2299 back into this 2295, and then start driving above this. Got to get a close above here today, and for us to start moving up to this 2319 on a 4-hour chart. You can bring this down to a 30-minute chart, get some more support and resistance up here. So just keep an eye on it, and we'll be in touch tomorrow. If you have any questions, contact Frank at tradestalkers.com, and have a great day.